I have this simple template here that uses Jinja2, but if I try to run this using python main.py, I get this error that says module not found error, no module named Jinja2. So fixing this is quite simple. We are getting this error because we don't have Jinja2 installed in our system. So this error will be gone by installing Jinja2 module. To install this, you just need to enter this command: python-m pip install Jinja2 and hit enter. If you have a virtual environment, make sure you activate your virtual environment and then run this command. If you don't have a virtual environment, running this command will install Jinja2 in system-wide dependencies, which is not exactly a good practice. A good practice is to create project-specific virtual environment and install all your project dependencies in that virtual environment so that your project dependencies can be isolated from other projects. And now let's try to run this after installing Jinja2. This time, as you can see, there is no error and our output is printed. This is how you can fix the module not found error, no module named Jinja2. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.